Check this.
I greet you and I wish you well. Eyime Edemodia brings you informative news from the crypto space. You can check the description box below for our website www.bitcoinpikin.com. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more informative news from the crypto space. Koinex launched Ripple XRP based trading with 8 pairs going live in Koinex. The crypto exchange announced the launch of Ripple XRP based trading, allowing trading of 15 token pairs on both web and mobile. And these 15 pairs are Eternity AE, Litecoin LTC, Omisigo OMG, Request Network REQ, Golem GNT, Tron TROS, Nucleus Vision Encash, and EOS known as EOS are pairs with XRP. Mercury-FX Limited, pleased with Ripple liquidity solution. A global currency specialist conducted trials on XRP and confirmed that it was satisfactory and had low transaction costs, transparent and high transaction speed. 5 fintech giants testing Ripple XVR. Ripple announced its new XVR customers, namely FairFX, Exchange for Free, Actioner FX, UnitPay, and Money March. Ripple's 10-year projection success. After a down period recently, Ripple's value is starting to go up again. Experts agree upon the notion that, given the network popularity, well-built platform, worldwide investing interest, and penetration in the media and mainstream society, Ripple is bound to grow in the short, medium, and long term. For starters, pundits continually say that the possibility of Ripple ending 2018 at a value near $10 is very much attainable. You may see the figure $10 and you may think that it is not a lot, but consider that it is currently at less than $1. That is, Ripple is actually doing like 90 cents currently. That would be more than 10 times its actual price. Isn't that amazing? Based on current projection, most people within the business agree that Ripple's value can go up the $300 range in 10 years. It is in the company's best interest if the price continues to rise because it will make XRP less volatile. Final thoughts. In conclusion, not only is Ripple one of the best, most relevant payments and exchange network in the industry, but also it is a prominent cryptocurrency in a world full of them. That is not the interesting fact about it. The XRP is trending up and has ton of room to grow. That's in my own opinion. Pundits and cryptocurrency experts point at Ripple when they are asked about the digital token with the most potential for 2018 and beyond. After Bitcoin, which is the industry leader, there is no clear-cut second place holder. Maybe we are starting to experience the rise and consolidation of Ripple. Additional features. Ripple is more than just a transferable store of value. It also aims to offer smart contract functionality, which will increase its application considerably. Institutions will be able to use XRP for a range of different purposes. You only need to look as far as the 55 billion XRP in escrow. For example, for potential applications, those funds are being held with Ripple's own smart contract application. Do you want to earn some Bitcoin? BitcoinTeam.club is an automated peer-to-peer Bitcoin donation website on the Big Daddy blockchain. I would leave an affiliate link for BitcoinTeam.club website in the comment section below. One of the benefits of BitcoinTeam.club I like so much is the free crypto trading signal, which members enjoy despite the opportunity available to members to earn over 4.9 Bitcoin in simple 4 levels. Isn't this amazing? I see BitcoinTeam.club as a platform to earn some Bitcoin and trade cryptocurrency profitably with their free crypto trading signal. The Bitcoin community has another way of encouraging our supporters. Wow! Sign up today using my affiliate link on the pinned comment section below. Thank you once more for taking out your time to watch this video. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more informative news from the crypto space. Also, check out our website www.bitcoinpikin.com. You can get our website also down on the description box below. See you guys in my next video. Buy the dip, sell high. Bye bye.
Check this.